This Fleet Equipment Unscripted interview is presented by Hendrickson, a leading manufacturer of heavy-duty suspension systems and components to the global commercial transportation industry. Visit hendrickson-intl.com to learn more.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, Content Director for Fleet Equipment. Welcome to Fleet Equipment Unscripted. We're back from ACT Expo, and what a show it was. We are still digging through content. We did a lot of recording and wanted to bring you an interview with Peter Voorhoeve, Volvo Trucks North America president, because we talked the role of decarbonization in this new world of sustainability and fleet efforts moving down that road. We also touch on autonomous trucking. Yes, there was autonomous truck talk at ACT Expo this year. Is it really happening? Peter has the answer. Let's check in with him. Great to see a great press conference here at ACT Expo. I want to pick apart something you said here because you doubled down on something from the VNR launch here at TMC earlier this year. That calculation of emissions saved, and I think here the number was around 30,000 with the VNR. Can you walk me through that and how you're calculating?
So what we did, you're right. We started in Nashville then with the VNR, and we did it now for the VNL as well. So, in principle, if you drive 120,000 miles per year with a truck, and if you then save 10% fuel, that amounts to 1,300 gallons of fuel.
Right.
So that's what you save per year.
Right.
Every gallon of fuel produces 22.5 pounds of CO2.
Right.
So 22.5 times 1,300, then you basically end up with 30,000 pounds of CO2 per year that you save.
Right, that's real emission savings, and that's real value.
And that's what I find so important, because we're here at ACT Expo, Advanced Clean Transport. What we should not forget, Advanced Clean Transport is not only about this beautiful electric truck, it's also about more fuel-efficient diesel trucks, and the majority is still diesel trucks.
Right, well, and that's a great segue because you announced the CARB 24 Omnibus certification process has started for the VGT engine. What are your expectations there? I know California here in the past year or so has had a little trouble with getting engines to market and in the fleet hands. What are your expectations and hope for the CARB compliant engine later this year?
So I'm very enthusiastic about this, because right now, so we are always, by the way, compliant, and right now we sell vehicles in California with 1.0 grams of NOx. That requires credits. So in other words, if you take the ACT regulation and the NOx regulation together, that determines then how many diesel trucks you can sell, right? Because you need credits.
Right.
Now with the 0.05 engine, we don't need credits anymore, so we can sell all the trucks that we want. And it will be available Q4 this year, commercially. Well, we hope, but I mean, that's the expectation.
Right, in certification process now with CARB.
Yeah, so we have submitted the certification. Now we need to wait for CARB to do that, and then we bring it to the market.
Right, okay, very cool. Another big topic that's really grown here, especially at the show, autonomous trucks.
Yeah.
And it sounds like we have a date, like they are actually coming. It's coming down the line. We're talking about it with customers. What's your view of it talking with customers?
So they're not only coming, they're here. So to be very correct, we have now, and you see it over there, we have the autonomous truck, the all-new VNL, in an autonomous mode, driving right now, as we speak, with our customers DHL and Uber Freight, but still with the safety driver. Right, and then of course the next big step is going to take the safety driver out. We know exactly what to do in order to drive without the safety driver, but we have not taken it out yet. That's the next step. But I mean, it's commercially available now.
Right, and ramping up production, ramping up sales, real world autonomy.
Yeah.
Very cool. Peter, thanks for taking the time. Always a pleasure.
Jason, always good. Thank you so much.